Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to write a Lex program to tokenize keyword, operator and ID. So let's see. Now let's open a new Lex program. And we know that the basic body of a Lex program is, first we have declaration section. This is declaration section. Then regular expressions or pattern definitions, we usually mention them here. And this is followed by the rules section. Rules section are started by percentage and ends with percentage, which is followed by the main program or main function. So in this program we will see about how to tokenize operators, keywords and identifiers. So in declaration section we declare a count variable. We are declaring a count variable int count equals to 0 and initializing it. In pattern definition, we define what is a digit, what is a letter, what is a operator. So digit, IGIT digit, 0 to 9, any numbers that start in the range of 0 to 9 is a digit. A letter, what is a letter? Anything that starts from small a to small z and from capital A to capital Z. Then we have operator. Operator consists of plus or minus or multiply or divide or equal to or comma. So we have defined the basic patterns. Then we would move on to the rules section. In the rules section, we will first define the keywords. Keywords are int or float. Since it is a basic program, we would start from the basic. So int or float. If the scanner finds int or float, a token which is similar to int or float, we need to print it as a keyword. So here the keyword is a global character which is matched with the token. So YY text is a global character array. Whenever a Lex finds a token matching a pattern, YY text holds that token. So we are printing that token in this as a keyword, mentioning it. Then we need to identify an identifier. So what is an identifier? Identifier usually starts with a letter followed by a letter or number or underscore. Let's not consider the underscore right now. So it starts with a letter, then followed by letter or a digit. So followed by letter or digits. Digit, we have mentioned only digit, and asterisk. Here it mentions that it can be 0 or more. If we have mentioned it like plus, it must be one time, it should occur one time or more. If it is question mark symbol, then it can be either 0 or 1. So here we need a letter. A could be an identifier or A could be an identifier. It depends upon the developer or programmer. Printf, in print statement we are mentioning that it is an identifier. Percentage D to mention the number of identifiers we have in this program. Percentage S is the number of character array which says the identifier. Then we are incrementing the count. The count value gets printed as percentage D, and YY text. YY text is the matched string which is printed as the ID identifier. Then we move on to the operator. Operator, it could be anything as mentioned above, and here also we would be printing as printf. It is an operator. And the matched character array stored in YY text. Then we will close the stuff. Then coming on to the main function, we will read the input from file F1. File pointer F1, and we would open the file F1 equal to open fopen file open input.c. Since it's a C program, comma and read mode. Then YY in, then YYN equals to F. YYN equals to F. YYN F1, which reads from the file. It's a file pointer which reads from the file, input from the file. Then YYLex, it performs the lexical analysis part. Then we would end the program. Let's see if it runs. Okay. Nano input.c. So we would be type the program like A equals to B plus C into D divided by E. Okay, you would save this one, close, then we would compile the Lex program. Then when compiling the Lex program, it converts it into, it generates lex.yy.c. Now we should compile the generated C code, lex.yy.c. Oh, lexo C. So ID1 A, first ID operator is equal to, second ID is B, operator is plus, ID3 is C, operator is asterisk, and ID4 is D, operator is slash, ID5 is E. So we have given the input as A equals to B plus C into D by E, and we got the output as A is an ID identifier, equal to is an operator, B is an identifier, plus is an operator, C is an identifier, asterisk is an operator, D is an identifier, slash is an operator, E is an identifier. So this is the basic program of scanner.